Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about a continue keyword in a Python. So the continue keyword is used inside the loops, that is the for loop and while loop as well. So continue keyword is used to skip the current iteration and move directly to the next iteration of the loop. This is unlike of a break. It does not stop the loop. It only skips the remaining code for that particular loop cycle. How continue keyword works? So here you can see when Python encounters the continue, it ignores the remaining statement in the loop body. Control jumps back to the loop conditions. Simple example you can see here for loop. In for loop we are using a continuous keyword. So here you can see for I in a range 1 to 6 and if I equals to 3 this will continue. So this keyword is used continue and just print I. So what will be the output? 1, 2, 4, 5. This will be the output. You can see here 1, 2, 4, 5. 3 is skip. In explanation you can see when I becomes a 3, continuous keeps the printing I and move to the next value. Means this loop has skip when I equals to 3. So let's see this example in our VS Code. Just open your VS Code. This is my VS Code ID. Already I have created this folder. Just create a one file. Continue keyword with for loop. Continue with for .py. You can give any name. So we are using a continue keyword, right? So just take for loop. Suppose for I in range and 1 to 6 and give colon and you have to write a condition. If I equals to suppose 3, then what will just continue. You have to write a continue keyword, right? And after that just print I and see the result. What will happen? Just run this program. You can see 1, 2, 4, 5. This is given in this output, right? 1, 2, 4, 5. So what is here happening? Continue keyword is skipping when I equals to 3. So by using a for loop and while loop, you can use a continue keyword. So just see with a while loop as well. In while loop, this is same like a for loop as well. Just declare I equals to 0 while I is less than 5. I plus equals to 1. If I equals to 2, continue the keyword and print I. So what will be the output? 1, 3, 4 and 5 because we are skipping here by 2. You can use 2, 3, 4, 5 anything. So just take this example as well. Just I'm writing this example as well. Just before that I'm commenting this code for loop commenting control slash suppose I equals to at the starting point is I think they given a 0. Initialization is 0. I and just type while while I is less than equals to suppose 6, here 5, less than 5, you can give less than 5 as well, no problem, just give colon, and after that just increment this value I plus equals to 1, right, I plus equals to 1, and write down the if condition. If you can see here, if I equals to 2, and just write a continue. If I equals to 2, just give colon and write a continue keyword, and just print I, and you can see the output now. Here you can see 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, because we are skipping 2 position, right? When the value becomes 2, this will be skip and continue the loop. So that's way you can use a continue keyword, and purpose of a keyword is used to skip the current position. So whatever you are mention here position point, this will skip and continue the loop. So this is the reverse of a break statement. So here you can see the when I is to printing is skipped, but the loop will be the continuous. So real life analogy, you can see here real life analogy. Imagine a security check line, right? When you go anywhere, the security check line, and if someone has a VIP pass, they skip extra checking and move ahead. They normally check all people, but for a VIP person, they will not check. They just keep there and they check other person. The line continues for others, but for a VIP person, they skip this thing. This is exactly how works, how continuous work. So break versus continue. You can see here break versus continue. Break keyword is used to stop the loop completely, but continuous keywords keep a current iteration. So that's way we can use a continuous keyword in our programming. So this is all about continuous keyword. So what is the continuous keyword? Continuous keyword is used inside the loops, for loop or while loop, to skip the current iteration and move directly to the next iteration of the loop. So that's all about the continue keyword in Python. So thank you for watching.